Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to schedule Reddit posts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to schedule your Reddit post, all you can do is simply go to your Reddit. Now, scheduling Reddit posts is primarily available to moderators through their tools for subreddit managers or via third-party platforms like Later for Reddit or Cronnit. So if you're going to use these third party tools and if you are a moderator, you can simply do it. But if you are a normal user, then it is a bit not possible for you to get these features. Now, to schedule, you need to create a post and click on the clock icon or the three dot menu to select the desired time, allowing for post scheduling and automation. So this is how you can simply schedule Reddit posts. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.